zombie land, I think. Ooh, a bird. I want that bird. I need to go get my bird catcher. 10 minutes later. Doopy doopy doo. Doopy. Okay, I have my catcher. Now look. Dang it. Dang it. Where's the bird? Let me go find it. Where could it be? Where could it be? Oh, there's the bird. I missed. Dang it. I'm going to feed you, little buddy. Punches out. Swing. Owie. It is okay. I'm fine. I'm a zombie. I don't feel pain. Now, where could that little bird... I got the bird. Ha! Dang it. Nah. Bird. Oh no. Oh jeez. Man. Go get that bird. Whoa. Ow. There's a stick. Ow, my face. It's okay. Oh. Ow.
Dun 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 dun. Home run!
Wow. Oh. Time to get my bird catcher. I gotta be fast and agilent. Wait. Oh man, the bird is fair out of the tree. We know that. I got you. Ow, the bird. Oh, man, that does not feel good. This is not very chill. Oh no, my underpanties. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. 2 minutes later, while putting on his pants putting progress on. Why are these? This is just me trying to put on his pants, and geez, these things are like tough to put on. Okay, just gonna do something. I have an idea. Well, my pants got stuck in a tree, so let's go. Ow. Spatula.
His pants fell off.
Nah. Fixing. Oh, man, my pants. Bird catcher claws. I'm gonna grab these. Hey, zombie, why are you here?
I'm flying on my bird.
I fell. Oh,
I tamed it. Squawk! Whoa, calm down, man.
Hopefully, nothing bad. First person to use Zomboss. Gotta get that bad. No, I missed.
What are you doing, Zomboss?
Trying to catch the bad. Huh. Sorry about that. I can't get the bird. Nah. Zomboss, ow! Maybe I could. I'm gonna sit down for a bit. Oh no! Owie! Aha! I got you! Super strength. This should be getting close to catching that bird. First person view, Zomboss. Oh no!
Squawk. Squawk.
Oh no! I'm caught. Oh poop. Attempt 2.
Okay.
Oh no, this isn't good.
Yeah, I'm stuck.
Goodbye, life. Oh no, not the please, birdie. Have mercy. I need to hide from that bird. I should be safe. Voice from bird.
Squawk. Translation, I'm gonna go grab a rock and I'm gonna drop it. Squawk, squawk.
Squonky squonk, squonky squonk.
Squawk,
The
squawk.
bird's near.
He's asleep.
Mm. Oh. Oh, again. Ow, more rubble. Oh. Ugh. Ugh. This day has sucked. Oh. Ugh. No. 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 Yes, I caught the bird. What? But no. Oh, why? I didn't do anything. Guess what? I'm actually PETA. You were animal cruelty. What? I didn't know you were PETA. No. Please, no. Ah.
Rip Zomboss 2019.
Super brains.
What do you want?
Help me. Oh. Well, super brains is coming. Another brick. Oh crap! No. 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 Help me, mommy. Mommy. No. Super brains. A bird who is working for PETA tried to kill me.
Frick is pizza.
It's about animals and protecting them and going vegan. And their disgusting food makes them look like the nasty patty. Super brains, what are you doing?
Yeah, welcome.
Help me.
We're gonna get you.
Oh no. Meanwhile, with the mayor.
Alright. Now that I've been elected mayor, I shall now cook this first ever thing. How do I work this?
And build that, and fix that, and build, and show off my very first brick. What's happened to my bridge? Zomboss! Yes.
What did you do?
A bird from PETA tried to kill me.
PETA! Yes. What did you do?
Oh, I nearly
I
killed
did nothing. I definitely didn't throw a rock at your bridge.
Dude, you literally threw.
Ah! That's it. We're
Get
grilling
Mr.
him.
Giant, who's the cameraman? Yes?
We're grilling him.
No, we're not grilling him. He'll burn. We're not actually doing that. Meanwhile, for dinner.
I'm trying to freaking take this.
Meanwhile, for dinner. for dinner. Who wants toasted bird? I get the first bite. Giant, revive him. All the people eat pudding. Giant, do something. I'm going to destroy you. Please, no, I'm just working for Peter. No. Ah! Ah, you missed, you evil troll. Ow! Ow! Stop it! Ow! Why? Oh! Now I'm gonna do the same thing you did to Zomboss. No, please. Ow! My brain! Ah! Pencil! Ow! 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 I look like roadkill! Ah, my face!
Ah, there we go.
Ah!
My bridge!
Ah!
Dun, 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 dun.
It's already destroyed. Ow, stop! Pizza, you are dead in time to crucify you, or sort of crucify. Please do not take this to offense. Pizza, you're fine. We're just making a dumb joke. You probably don't even know we exist. Getting ready, getting ready, getting ready, 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 getting. Peter sucks. Peter sucks. Peter sucks.
Pizza sucks.
You know I'm still alive. Shut up. Ow! My face.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Get a brick!
Yeah.
I missed.
Yeah. 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 Ow!
Dun, dun, dun,
We've
dun.
all missed. Oh! Stop! He's dead. He has a.
Not. I missed.
Ow!
Again.
Don't worry, I'm a giant. Oh God, my face! Ah! Ah! I have a concussion. Oh!
Alright, he's dead. I'll take him.
Let's make some cooked bird.
What the fuck is that?
It's like turkey, but made with
Grab him.
thingies. And that's the end of the video. Goodbye.